Hello viewers, at the beginning of my tutorial, take my cordial love. I hope you all are well, I am well too. In this video, I am going to show you how you can download and install IDM. So let's get started. Okay, take a browser. I am going to take a browser Google Chrome, and I have already set two links in my Google Chrome, and these two links are given in the description. You can use from there. Okay, now if you use this link just here, you can see like this. Here a countdown is going on, and when the 20 seconds is completed, then you can download from it. Otherwise you can't download IDM. Okay, when the 20 seconds is completed, and you will have to prove that you are not a robot. Okay, cross it again, you are not a robot. Okay, I'm not a robot, and from here you can create download link, cross it. If you face just like this, you can cross. Okay, create download link, and you will have to again click to download. You can see a RAR file is going to be downloaded here. You'll have to wait a few moments. We have nothing to do, and in this time I would like to say you, the guys, you who are new to my channel, please, you are highly requested to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss an update from Start with Sagar. And if you follow this step properly, you will certainly download and install IDM forever. Here you can use the second link, and from here you can also download IDM, but it will be better if you use the first link. You will have to do what I'm going to show you, otherwise you may face so many difficulties. Okay, the download is completed, you can see here. Now let me open the download. Okay, I'm going to download. At first you will have to extract file here, or let me take it in another folder, cut it. I'm going to take this on my desktop. Now I'm going to extract this file. Okay, the IDM desktop icon has been created here. So just click on right click and run as administrator. Yes. Okay, now you will be able to install IDM. Okay, next, continue installation, next. Or don't create a start menu folder. Okay, you did not use here a tick. Next, from here you have to make a defollow. You have to remove this tick mark from here, otherwise you'll be taking our website again and again, and you may think that you have been attacked by a virus, or your computer has been hacked by someone. And from here you can put a tick mark here, and here remove this tick mark, and remove this also. And from okay, the IDM has been installed in your PC. Okay, and Microsoft Store automatically will be opened. And if you want to use IDM in Microsoft Edge, you can continue this process, otherwise you can cross. Okay, now let me open Google Chrome, and let me cut it. Okay, and IDM has been installed, but here we cannot see the IDM icon. So let me open extension. Here we cannot see IDM extension. Okay, now we'll have to do something just like this, and from here you will have to open the C drive, program files, and from here we'll internet download manager, and now we'll have to search IDM GCX CRX. this one, you will have to make a tip follow here, IDM CRX. Okay, now let me copy it and go to the extension. Okay, so paste here. Okay, and you'll have to continue, and here you'll have to click on OK. Okay, IDM has been installed in your PC, but if you can't see any icon here, just you'll have to do what I'm going to do now. Okay, just write IDM extension, click on here, and from here you'll have to download, or you'll have to add IDM extension, and from here you can click here. Okay, just add to Chrome, add extension. Okay, now you can see IDM icon has been added in your address bar, and you can pin from here. Okay, completed. Okay, now let me open YouTube. Okay, cut it. Let me take YouTube. Cut it. YouTube. Okay, now let me open a video. Here I'm going to open this one, and from here you can see the IDM has been successfully installed in your Google Chrome, and if you want you can download from here. Okay, let me check. Yes, the video is going to be downloaded from here. Sometimes you will face so many difficulties when you use another IDM. You may ask to update your IDM, and you may ask to register your IDM. But in this IDM you can use forever. Okay, from here we can see IDM has downloaded MKB file that uses a new codec that is not installed on your computer. Here you have been asked to download MKB IDM home site MKB player. So let me click on OK. Okay, from here you will have to download FLB player. Got it. Click on it and start download. Okay, the FLB player has been downloaded in your PC. Now you can run the video what you will download by IDM. You know, close it, and now let me open another video. Okay, from here you can see the IDM symbol. Download this video. And dear guys, sometimes you may ask to update your IDM, but when you will update your IDM, you will face so many difficulties. Okay, and now let me finish. If you are totally new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get so many help, so many videos from start with Sagar. So have a nice moment. Thank you.